Hello बच्चों, today we are going to solve exercise 4.4 question number 2, and this question number 2 is saying that find the value of k if roots are equal. We already know if the roots are equal, then what will be the value of discriminant, that is d or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Why? Because roots are equal. This is the condition of the discriminants if the roots are equal. Okay, we have already studied about this. Now just see the values. Here the a is equal to 2. You can see in this quadratic equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 3. Okay, now just put the value here, and you can write here taking a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 3. In b square minus 4ac, we get what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Already know, because why this is equal to 0? Because the roots are equal. Given that the roots of this quadratic equation is equal, if it has been given that it have two different roots, then here would have the greater sign. Okay, so now put the value. So I have k square in place of v, I am taking k, minus 4 into a in place of a, I am taking 2, and in place of c I am taking 3. So this is 0. And further, this is k square minus 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24, which is equal to 0. And again k square is equal to 24, and which is further equal to k is equal to root 24, and which is further equal to, you can write this as 6 4s are, right? 4 means 2, so 2 root 6. So this is the answer. This is the value of k, and here it will be positive and negative because there is square root, and we don't know whether inside this square root this is positive or negative, so we will put both of these signs, positive as well as negative. Now let us move towards the question number 2. Firstly, solve this and make this simple. Take in this kx inside this bracket, so it will be kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Again, compare the value and find the value. Here you can see that coefficient of x square, which is a, is equal to k. Coefficient of x, or which we call b, is equal to minus 2k, and c is equal to 6. Okay, now taking values in where b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Why I am taking equal to 0 here? Because it has been given that the roots are equal. Okay, and you know that when the roots are equal, then the value of discriminant will be 0. Okay, now just put the values. This is very simple. Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k, into c is 6, which is equal to 0. And when I further solve this, it will be 4k square minus 4 6 24k is equal to 0. And I can take this 4 common here. When I do so, I'll get, even I can take k also outside. So 4k into k minus 6 is equal to 0. So I'm getting two values here. First is 4k is equal to 0, and k minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so value of k will be equal to 0, or it can be 6. For these two value, what? For these two value, the roots of this quadratic equation will be 0. So I got the value of k is equal to 6. Okay. 4k is equal to 0, not 4k is equal to 0 because 4k is multiplying here, so it will get divided here, and 0 by anything is 0, so this will not work here. Okay, only you'll get the value of this also, this only. K minus 6 is equal to 0. You're left with k minus 6 only. Okay, so in this way we have solved both the parts of this question number 2.